So as you all know, human society is aging. Aging is an inevitable process. All of us are going to age at one point in life. And this process of aging leads to a variety of changes in our bodies. They include different blood molecules, different cellular changes, which make us susceptible to diseases. In our quest to identify molecules that change with the age, we performed a metabolomic analysis in aged humans. And this analysis showed that a lot of molecules in the blood were changing. And one of the molecules that was most dominantly downregulated in aged humans was taurine. This was done almost 11 years ago now in my lab. And this made us interested in what taurine is and what does it do. Taurine is not a new molecule. It was identified in 1827 by two German scientists, Tiedemann and Gmelin. And since then, it was known to be associated with a variety of different processes. However, for almost 140 years, nobody cared about taurine because people didn't know what does it do precisely and what functions does it regulate in the body. In 1950s, pet foods were introduced in society. So people were rich at that point after World War II, and they needed some kind of a diet to be given to their pets. So the pet food industry provided these pellets, which can be given to these pets like cats and dogs at homes. And this led to precipitation of variety of diseases in pets. One of the most striking aspect of this entire episode was that cats started turning blind. So they were blind, they were hitting walls at homes, they were dropping glass vessels. So this was a very distressing sight to see for the pet owners. And they made large efforts and invested and to a lot of money in scientists to figure out why their cats were turning blind. This understanding of blindness in the cats led to the discovery in 1975 that the blindness in cats is caused by a specific nutrient deficiency in their diets. And this paper was published in 1975 in Science by Hayes and colleagues, which showed that blindness in cats is caused by one molecule deficiency in their diet, and that molecule was taurine. 15 years later, another study was published in Science in 1987, which showed that cardiac abnormalities or heart failure is also caused by taurine deficiency in the diet of cats. These two discoveries led to an increase in interest in the society and scientists regarding taurine, what taurine is and what does it do in the body. And since then, taurine has been shown to be associated with a variety of health parameters. However, it is not known whether taurine affects the aging process as we grow older.